So, voices are off.
And I made the main successful.
Eyes and ears are up.
Hi, I'm Ronnie.
If that distance is very close, I am on my equator. Where it is very high. If that distance is very far, I'm in the north-south pole. And it's very cold. So let's drop it down. Cold, hot. In the middle is where I get my what?
4 seasons.
My what?
4 seasons.
So why? My name's Jaspert. I am the 4th grade science teacher at Propel Braddock Hills Elementary School. Today's lesson was about the environments and ecosystems. The idea around my teaching is it's whole brain teaching. So it's not just sit and learn, it's let's talk about it, let's build on it, and let's make this our own. So to make it their own, we talk about these things called call-outs, and the call-outs are motions and movements. So whenever we start this idea of these call-outs and these motions, the students have parts in adding to it. If they want to say environment, it starts out with the word in. So let's go environment. So they all have that aspect of having parts in it to take that ownership of the call-outs. The end of the week comes and they get to take those call-outs and use them as a game day lesson. So we turn on black lights, we get really fun, really excited. We work through those call-outs as we work through the problems, and that gets them ready for the test the following day. Class!
Yes.
If I have trees with leaves that fall, I am in a place with what?
4 seasons.
We're in our place that is the
Electricity forest.
which means it has leaves on trees that
Fall.
again, won't be caught up in the call out. The climate of the North Pole is what? Hot, cold, 4 seasons, or it's not really hot or cold. It's kind of in the middle. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, up! Down, 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 down. Oh, grab a seat. Grab a seat. Down, 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 down. Down. Is oxygen, do not answer this out loud, living or non-living? Get it ready, get it ready, get it ready. Living or non-living, oxygen. Remember, if you have $2, I need them up in the air so I know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up, 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 up. Uh-oh, keep them up high. So organisms are what? Organisms are what? And this was the one from the last class. Do not just know the music. Understand the call out. What is an organism? Is it all living things, all non-living things? Things that do not use the sun or a place where animals live. Don't let it get you confused. You know the answer. You know the call out. Use it for real. We good?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Back up. Down, down. Back. But then you couldn't tell me the real life example. Again, you know that it's living and non-living. You know what is living and you know what's non-living. So whenever you tell me and I ask you an example of what is living and non-living, how those things are coming together, what is something that is alive? Raise your hand and tell me. Okay. A plant. What is something that is non-living that keeps that plant alive? Maeve.
Water.
Water, plants. 2 things, living and non-living, that are coming together. What is another thing that that plant needs? Oxygen. Coming together, living, non-living. What is another thing that that plant needs? Soil. Living, non-living, coming together. And when you start to take those little pieces and parts, that is how these communities are coming what?
Together.
Because now you have that plant, and then the deer comes along. Living or non-living?
Living.
It eats it. Living or non-living?
Living.
Then an animal comes along and eats that deer. Those are two living things that are relying on that plant. Where does that plant get its energy from? The?
Hi, my name is Emery, and in Mr. Jasper's room we were doing game day. With game day, we make cards on the first game day, and then on each question you have to hide your card while you pick it, and then you hold it up. And then if you get it right, you can stay on the table. If you get it wrong, you have to stay in your chair. And then if you get 2 cards, you have to hold it in the air. And then once you get it right for a 3rd time, you can get back up. And then if you get it wrong after you have 2 of the things that you can use to get up, you're gonna have to earn them back. So the dollars that you win if you get the whole game right, you get it when you have like snacks and stuff. You can either save it or spend it. And then if the dollars that he gives you, if you sit down, if you get those dollars, you have to get 2 of them to get back up. He's a great teacher, and especially with the fun he gives us while we're learning.